So my dad picked these out of the tree last night, and I really want orange juice. So like the thumbnail says, I'm paying some more shoes today. I don't know how good these are gonna get, but we'll see. What? It doesn't look like I did anything. This is gonna be a hard one. Yeah, I need to fit more shoes in here. Oh. I should have closed that. I can't believe I wanted more shoes. Me, I need more shoes. I really like the Disney collaboration, at least for Mickey. I don't like Goofy's. It's like, it's too much. I don't know what I could wear with it. I mean, can you figure it out without being obnoxious? I mean, it kind of fits. The Goofy model looks goofy, so, you know, I take that back. I think that is a good collaboration. But that Mickey model, ooh, they did my boy right. There we go. So thanks to the washer, it's already cleaned off a lot of junk, but I've been wanting to try another life hack.
You take the moon and you take the sun.
You take everything that seems like fun. You stand up and bang it.
All done. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Just like last time, white, vanilla, in here, mix. Ah, why didn't I get gloves? I'm so dumb. I feel like I'm playing Mario Party. We're gonna do this outside just because the lighting is a lot better than my room. 54 and it's raining. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna move the table. Alright, let's try this again. The plan is, same thing. We're gonna paint the boost, make this look a lot prettier, and we'll see what we get. Ooh, I almost forgot. Where the heck is it? Maybe I don't even need it. Okay, so we're just gonna skip that step. I don't know where the glazer is. I already had it out here. Okay. Alright, so here's what the first coat looks like. But we still need to do one more to even everything out. It's tomorrow. 4 layers of paint. 4. Maybe 5 on one of them. I don't even We're gonna lace these up. Now obviously the goal was to make this look much better, and I did just that. These things are on fire. Look at that. So did you like the shoes?
I love the shoes. Thank you.
So should people subscribe?
Yeah, you should subscribe so you can get your shoes.
Wait, whoa. Wait, no. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe because my sister said so, so now you have to.
Everyone is gonna get their shoes clean. Fuck.
Once you pay me! Alright, bye. I'll see you when I see you.